The idea of policing is not to decide whether someone's guilty or not. It's to gather all the evidence that is applicable and then allow someone else to take an objective view. And a lot of that is people moving paper. It's very expensive. It's expensive to employ people to move paper and check it. I was faced with something like a 25% cut in my budget, and I didn't want to reduce my operational capability. So I was looking elsewhere and saying, well, okay, where can I find best value out of what I'm spending money on?
He had a very, very simple, straightforward vision. He wanted to enable cops to be better cops.
Gradually, we got rid of paper. You no longer need to employ people to check the work.
2Serve runs on, well, any Windows device you like. It's Universal Windows Platform. One of the key points is how straightforward it's been to transition through into what we now have as the Universal Windows Platform. You really can do complex, powerful line of business apps with UWP. It's already out there in use on Windows tablets, Windows laptops, Windows phones. We have an evaluation running right now of 2Serve on HoloLens.
HoloLens is a fascinating opportunity to link into things like 2Serve.
I can put my HoloLens on and we can use the technology in the HoloLens to map the room. I can start to outline evidence in the room.
I think there's some huge opportunities to harness that. Having the black marble 2Serve front end that we developed together allowed me to start to look at making some serious choices about where I was spending the public's money. Just with the very, very first iteration, it was keeping police officers out of the police station for an hour and a half per shift per day. So I used to talk about the currency in policing not necessarily being just the amount of money I had or the number of people I had, it was actually the number of operational hours available.
We started on Windows 8 and we've drawn all the way through to Windows 10. And if you look around Black Marble, you find that we've got Windows phones, we've got Surface Hub, we've got HoloLens. And it's great that we can take the same code and run on all of those devices. And now we take that same message out to our customers that we can develop once. And you've got a great return on investment that as you buy new devices and new form factors, you can be comfortable that we have to do far less work with UWP to make it run on the new device. The great user experience that we can build with the applications is just fantastic.